gonna do science. That's science in an excited voice. We are going to try to take the shell off of an egg without peeling it. So we're gonna start with a regular egg. Without peeling the egg off. We're gonna try to just science is kind of like magic, right? Sometimes. Yeah. So we're gonna try to take the egg off without peeling it. So this is a regular egg. It's not boiled. It's just a regular egg. Here, can you click on it? Like click with your nail. I don't know if anyone heard that. Let's go. There, can you hear that? I'm gonna do it softly because I don't want an actual crack. It's a regular egg. We're gonna put it in a jar, a mason jar. How should we put it in the mason jar? Very carefully.
His name is Mason?
His name is Mason. We're gonna put it in carefully. If we drop it in, what will happen?
Crack.
We'll have egg in there, so we're gonna put it in very carefully. Then we're gonna fill it up with just regular white vinegar. Here, let's put it here so we can see. Just some regular vinegar.
Oh, that looks like water.
It does, huh? We are gonna make sure we leave some room at the top. We wanna make sure the egg is covered, but you're gonna wanna leave room at the top. If you fill it all the way to the top, your glass could explode. Safety first, guys. We do not want your glass to explode. Then you're gonna
that'd be awesome.
No, it would be really dangerous. Then you're gonna put your ring and your lid on the same. We're gonna leave it real loose. Just barely put it on because we want to let the gases from the vinegar escape. We don't want it tightly on there. And then you're gonna leave it for 2 or 3 days. We left ours for 3 whole days. So tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. 3 days passed and we're still wearing our same outfits and we just sat here for 3 whole days. And then, look, you wanna get a close up? Look at all the bubbles. Maya thinks our egg looks a lot bigger and it's all bubbly.
And not
Right,
that white.
And it's not white anymore. Should we see? How do we get this thing out of there? Should I just put my fingers in there?
No.
Oh, what if we dump some of it out? I'll dump some of the vinegar out.
No way, don't do that.
Whoa. Here, we'll come back. Look. There's no shell on it.
Can I?
Yeah, feel it. It's bouncy. It doesn't have a shell on it anymore. Take a whiff of it. It smells like vinegar. Look, guys, wait, can I show
It
them?
kind of got like orange.
See how it's bouncy?
Kind of like got orange.
Yeah, it's got orange. The whole shell came off. Oh, I should have showed you, but in the glass there was nothing. It was just the vinegar. Isn't that like magic? That was our magic science experiment. You can do that at home if you have vinegar. Oh! Now we have a mess. Well, that's kind of cool though, because look, we see that it's still an egg inside. Okay, now we gotta go clean up. Happy eggs, everyone!